Hey my harmonies, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can achieve this half up and half down curly hairstyle with short hair. And if you guys want to learn how I do this and make my curls look extra poppin', then just keep on watching. This is how my hair is looking. I had recently washed it, but the curls did not last because of the humidity, and the way I did it, it was just, I don't know, it didn't last that long. But this is how my hair looks. But as you can see, it's shorter than you guys seen it last time. I compulsively decided to cut my hair, and I accidentally cut my bangs too short. And I, for some reason, forgot that my hair is literally an afro texture. So, of course, the curls would spring back up when I'm trying to put them down, you know. And while I was showing you guys my hair in this clip, I seen that I had a little ginger piece in my hair. And I do have those scattered all over my head. First, I'm going to be wetting my hair using cold water. And, of course, I'm using a water bottle. That's always a must-have for me. No matter what hairstyle I do, I have to wet my hair and use a water bottle. So I'm wetting my hair all over till it's like dripping wet. Since I do have some product in my hair, since I'm just redoing it but putting it in a different style, I can easily part it a little bit. I'm just parting it right after I wet it so I can just reapply the products. Then I'm just going to be taking this clip and I'm just going to be using that so my hair would be out of my way while I'm doing this section. One of the main products I'm going to be using in this video is the 𝐿 curling jelly, and I swear I've been using this since I was like in 7th grade, because I remember this being my first product that worked so good in my hair to the point where I can finally feel comfortable wearing my hair down. So I highly recommend this product so bad. Like, it works so good. And I noticed for some reason like jelly products work so good in my hair, and that's the brush I'm going to be using in this video. It's a Demon brush. Either way, I'll link everything that I'm using in this video in the description box down below for you guys, because the products that I use really help make my curls look magnificent, pop, and beautiful. And I am going to be using Eco Styling Gel. I recently just got into this last year and I've been sleeping on it for the longest time. The As I Am really makes your hair look shiny, but with the Eco Gel, it really puts the cherry on top. Like, I love the shine that it gives me. I love the hold that it gives me. You see my curls? Like, they really looking so good because of these exact two products. But pretty much I'm just going to be doing the same thing. I'm just going to be grabbing small pieces of my hair, re-wetting it, and adding the As I Am gel, and then the Eco Gel, and going in with the brush I showed you guys. Now with this brush, like, I noticed that it really helps define my curls more. Like, yeah, the Eco Gel and the As I Am products definitely do its job, but with the brush though, like, it doesn't make my hair frizzy, because you know sometimes with certain brushes you have like some frizzy pieces in your hair, but with this brush it just helps complement your curls. It really helps make the ends of your curls especially look so curly and coily. I recently found this brush too last year or 2 years ago, I think it was last year, but oh my gosh, like, all three of these items that I'm showing you guys truly work amazing on 4A, 4C, 4B. I said that so backwards. 4A, 4B, 4C, 3B, 3C, wavy curls maybe. But if you got like really thick hair, I know for a fact like this brush would work really well, because like as you can see in this clip, that back piece that I have right there of my head, like those curls be really like a little bit difficult, you know? So that brush really helps define that part of my hair so much. And speaking of curly hair products, let me know what other natural hair products I should try in my hair. Now, since I have all the curly hair products in my hair, it's now finally time for me to do my half up and half down. And I just start from the tip of my ear, then I just go all the way around like that. It may take a little bit of time to like make sure everything looks decent or perfect, but make sure you do a little bit at a time, because if you do it all at once, it's just gonna look uneven and it's just not gonna look right. So make sure you do a little bit at a time, just like this. You definitely want to use a rat tail comb to help you part your hair. You don't want to do it any other way, like with your fingers or pinky, because it's not gonna look even. And I don't know, I just definitely prefer using a rat tail comb to like part my hair. And I am going to be using the rat tail comb to comb my hair, and I also use the Damon brush to comb my hair too, just to make sure that there's no bumps in my hair, to make sure everything is nice and smooth and wavy. You do want to use an edge brush or a toothbrush or a brush. I definitely prefer using an edge brush or a toothbrush, because I notice when I do a little bit at a time, it looks way better. And I'm going to be taking this ponytail elastic and I'm just going to be wrapping it around about 4 or 5 times. I'm just going to be taking the end of my rat tail comb and just make sure that there are no bumps on my hair. Then I'm going back in with the brush and just make sure that the curls are curling. And I'm doing my edges now. I did them really quick because I was honestly getting frustrated. I had to turn off the camera because they weren't acting right. So I kind of did most of it off camera, but here's some clips of me doing it on camera. To set them in place, I did use the Eco Styling Gel. Then I added some little curlies on the side. I haven't done this in a really long time. Fun fact, every time I do add curls on the side of my sideburns or edges or whatever, it reminds me of when my mom used to do that with my hair when I was little. Literally since I was little up to until I decided to learn how to do my own hair. And then I'm going to be diffusing my hair on the cool setting, and this was my first time using the cool setting the whole time, and this was literally one of the best things I've done to my curly hair, because I noticed my hair didn't freeze up so quick. So definitely use the cool setting the whole time if you want to diffuse your hair or dry it quicker. Then I actually took the diffuser part off so I can actually dry my hair, and I like the way I did this because the drying process was so much faster, and I don't know, like this was kind of different for me. I just decided to try it like this in this video. And this is how my hair finally looks. As you can see, my curls are looking so curly and healthy. I'm actually glad I cut my hair this short. It really helps like make my curls look more springy in my opinion. Everything that I mentioned in this video will be listed down below for you guys. And let me know your guys' thoughts and opinions about this. Would you guys wear your hair like this? Would you try out the products that I mentioned? Let me know in the comments. I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.